People, welcome by the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today we're going to talk about the snake. The vile snake. And your favorite so-called producer them. Shabsnake in a jailhouse throwing all kind of hissy fit. And when them says somebody are through one hissy fit. Shabsnake now realize that the little short space of time in go jail, whole heap of things change. Everything what him the thing say, him off pan lock. Look like them find the key. A shower wrong say, put the down to the key and turn him in a donkey. Is the snake transforming into a donkey? We're going to talk about it. Before we go into that, today is Mother's Day. And I want to send a special shout out. A special shout out to the Jamaican mothers. In Ireland, right across the diaspora, whether them in a Oyo, Ozongum. We're talking about the great mothers today. Let me be specific, I'm not talking about women who have delivered children. Just so we're clear here, we're not just talking about women who just deliver. Just like how them say, some man and a father, them are just sperm donor. Well, some woman and a mothers, them are just baker. They must bake the cake for 9 months, push it out, and that's it. Dog yam the cake supper. I'm talking about mothers. I'm talking about the ones who nurture us, love us. I'm talking about the women who play a major role in many of us lives. Because the reason why I say, I'm not just talk about the baker them. I understand this guy. Some women have children. Some women didn't push out children themselves, but they're still mothers. No found the woman will love you and nurture you and look after you and never push you out. Let me say that one more time. No for uno, the woman will love you and nurture you. Sit down with you, deal with your feces and your vomit and all kind of shit. Take up your problem on her head. She never push you out in a jubilee. She never push you out of UC. Today we are honor those women. Big up on yourself straight from the local YouTuber. We talk about the snake. Shabsnake having a breakdown behind bars. For one, him things say me da drop back a road and a girl a van long time. When him start here say witness start foreign and all kind of something. That's it. Now, the snake might still bust the case, but this is not how we expected things to be. Even the mobile landscape change up on the snake. When him did a road I run rampant and girls call upon them money and call upon them money. Enough for the youth them when used to call upon, enough for them dead. Enough for them that are prison themselves. And enough for the one them that are road. A itch to move. Them a itch because they realize that St. James, the vision look totally different right now. One time when the snake was link, man I say, yo, go for them board and go so rrr. Right now man I give the snake all kind of excuses. Say him have cataracts in 9 foot. He can't go on no shooting. Snake I get all kind of excuses. Man have cataracts in 9 toe. He can't go on the murder ops right now. Because them boy with the road know say things change up, snake guy. Snake guy, and you fight for come a road. Better you sit down behind bars. Remember say Shabsnake is a remnant of the Stone Crusher era. He escaped the great wipeout because him dig off foreign. Then drop back a Iron Man, start link with be artist, start call himself producer, all kind of madness. Buyout who forget buyout, cause I know them licky already. Enough of them people that switch gone to a new general right now. Dopey bat Shabsnake, where you think them did love you? Or the money and the hype you. Remember say one time your name did have a look about in the street, so people start draw around. You got already Iron Man and the more loyal to hype and fame and clout. Start switch pan you already, Snakey. Snakey them start switch pan you. Now for the artists them where you do things for. Now for the artists them where you do vicious things for. Start link with your enemy. Sell you out, Snakey. Don't cry, Snakey. That's just how the game works, bro. No loyalty amongst dopey bots. You never hear that saying there? No loyalty amongst dopey bots. Man with Shabsnake literally commit murder for. Murder for tune. Murder for tech side. Switch side already. Snakey in a music, nobody really need it like that because you're quote unquote producing. Is neither here nor there. You don't have much leverage, Snakey. Everything where you come with a bag of man have. Or look at one name, enough man have that. Quote unquote producer, dime a dozen. I don't like say Snakey. I don't like say the reading them where Snakey make a nothing legendary. And nothing where you can hook the people them for generations upon generations. No, here today, gone tomorrow. Snakey's having a breakdown. All on the people that themselves go something mother. Because the snake they link with certain people and due to the fact so now sheep will automatically adapt the snake. Well guess what, them people they don't switch on the snake already. The snake upset because him thinks man they go all the link with him and next thing him say man a link with next man. Music is a very mix up. You know them love to talk about woman mix up. You see that especially dancehall, you see man them a dancehall, the artists them. Them just as mixed up as the woman them, you know. But I think so you about female artists mix up and drama. I still think the man them, you know. Vile. Vile. Snakey is now so desperate. Him even a reach out to bloggers. I tell them what he say, yo, put this in the video and say this. The boy I try to do this and the boy I try to do that. Snakey, you're supposed to know there's nothing you can put out any blogger boy or anybody for that matter and make it go public and we can't reach back for your wagwan. It's just that the people them we are reach out to not even worth a response. Snakey, I know it go by now. You know say PIA thing different. Multiple blogger boys. Snakey and them people might try to get to try drop some kind of answer back. But the answer back thing not go work. Dopey but you know it go already. You know say the PIA thing different. Not because when me drop one video it cause one earthquake, you can't just link one next blogger boy and then them drop one video and cause an earthquake. For them thing won't even cause a tremor, much less an earthquake. Remember, all junker in the sky equal but some more equal than others. Snakey for strength you look online. You have to go link Kanye West or one of them man. Blogger boy and artist can't help you Snakey. You imagine Snakey all a promise link with man. Yeah man, when time I come on road. And time I come on road then, you don't know, say me I go link, you say me I say, you say this board look at YouTube man, you say these exact things, and make sure you put this out there and say, so me I say when time I come on road now, me I say, I don't know, say, we will drop off some music video, we can give you strength. Snakey I promise all kind of things, dopey but that can't help you. Dopey but Shabsnake, that can't help you. No blogger boy or blogger girl can't help you, no DJ can't help you. Right. Remember before you go to jail, me tell you say youth bill. Remember when the snake was running rampant and most of them did a go on like tell them afraid to talk about the snake and afraid to put out the snake. Don't forget who run out. Rah. Don't forget who introduced him the Shabsnake. Don't about that. His world came tumbling down shortly afterwards. Because after getting a second, third, fourth and fifth chant, him still go back to the madness. Don't forget it guy. I gave Shabsnake whole heap a chance. Me tell him say, guy, Bill. Guy who wants to St. James a better place. Lego certain things he never hear. Me and the snake personally communicate and me tell him that. Say, yo, youth, Bill. Bill, youth. Them days they done. You say, our producer, make your money on their thing. Lego the violence and the badness. Me personally talk to the snake. Put up on video publicly and privately. And the dopey bat never want to hear cause back in the day Stone Crusher could have do what they want to do. And them things are back in the day this. Now the boy that jail boy want to leak. Yo dog, you must say you can just say this about the little YouTuber scene and then tell me come on road, me and go link up. Come here and say link up, you have a chain. Dopey bat will break chain and bandages. This is why I tell you say Them youth are only wicked when time them have a gun in their hand. Look at pressure reach it up button in jail. My breakdown. Toughen up, bro. Toughen up, you're a stone crusher. But if make blagger boy and stress you out. I make be a call I try to bring in be a favors. The bad no one no fear dog, you're a dopey butt. People like Shabsnake, for St. James to progress, people like Shabsnake had to be removed from the landscape. Now fortunately for him, he's still alive. Him can at least sit down in jail and go baptize like Russian Barnett and give him life to the Lord and then go to heaven. Allegedly. Apparently that's how it works. So at least him have one chance. He still have a chance. No for the people in life when him cut short, now no chance. I'm not even talking about the mobile boy them and Shabsnake la worried. Okay, you can say, well, the world most 87, I'm not even talking about them. I don't think so, you can just buy on the way to heaven. Just put on some treat. Remember, see them dopey bots we are try link up with, try, set the narrative online. Sometimes somebody like you, even though you are one dopey bot, reach out to them. If you ever look at one small name, they know so they're gonna make the whole world know. Say, yo, say, man, the man want link in my dog, and the man go sub up, him go sub and drop some video, boy, look at YouTube, and then, some not go sub up no one when he come back a road, no man was link. Dopey bot. Laugh when time I hear Shabsnake. You know, see how deal with blagger boy. None of time for them. Walk past the vulture squad, Shabsnake. Shabsnake. Once we drop on YouTube, come soon for the vulture squad. We never even have to directly confront. Just walk past them. And them never exist. Check the scoreboard. Stop crying in jail, Shabsnake. Fortunately for you, the police team and the whole empire and the little mice were in a jail. We take the charge for you. Fortunately for you, they are part of the Grace Thriller section of the JCF. I'm going to tell you to the Grace Thriller section of the JCF and them man they want to come for you. Because no matter what, you must live for go jail, for go baptized. That's the Grace Thriller squad. Boy, Shabsnake about, but boy, sir, you fight against me. Shabsnake, don't overestimate the importance, dopey bot. You have somebody to fight against. You have two tune and road as quote unquote producers, so you overestimate. Oh boy, this great conspiracy, the whole PIA work against me, dopey bot. You don't have one rhythm that will last the test of time. That the little face there where you come out with, them the tune they pass and gone, dopey bot. Me can't bad mind you for nothing. Stop crying in jail, Shabsnake. Stop reach out to man. What's surfy? Toughen up, guy. This is why I can't deal with Jamaican quote-unquote killers. Me never ever seen a man from the Mujahideen or Hamas or none of them man the online. I talk about yo dog, man. When man join Hamas, when man join Taliban, they're very aware of the fact say yo, me might dead. And I'm going to hurry up and kill me because me have 10,000 eagle eye wait for me. Them dopey body are Jamaica. When they go jail them ball, they get shot them ball, and them are the wickedest thing alive. Man a ball about YouTube video. What kind of killer ball about one YouTube video? Yeah, my man will chop me there, leave me alone, bro. I say, bro. So what? Me kill a whole bag of people. So what? Just left me alone, bro. You had your chance to be quote unquote left alone and you didn't take it. Shabsnake and him friend them. Most of them can just reach out to one blagger boy, reach out to somebody who then can't intimidate and just buy out. So when the snake realizes he can't buy me out or intimidate me, then what are his options? Shabsnake, you have fight for go road, but you stay at jail youth. And those enemies are wait for you go road. All your friend them too. Shabsnake, watch your style. Watch your style, Shabsnake. Trust me, Shabsnake, police is the least of your problem, guy. And just your enemies, them are wait for you about the case. Your friends, them too. But, don't take my word for it. Me just look a bad man YouTube a blagger boy, cause them bad man for the Benz and the Beamer. Plus, you have 10,000 gallon in none, so. That's why bad man. That's what this whole thing is about, bad man. Reaching out to artists and blagger boy and try to get them to like count that look. Clearly that doesn't work. The biggest dancehall groups in dancehall groupdom history. Even when they attack as a collective, it has no impact on the movement. Nothing happens, Snakey. Or what thing different? You bring a horse to a unicorn fight. Different levels, dog. You must say you're a bad man. You bad, right, Snakey? Toughen up, bro. Not jailhouse a ball. You a ball, you don't even reach prison yet. Man still not jailhouse a ball. You can't have jailhouse a ball and then reach prison yet. And they must reach prison. You might go on road. Might go on road, Snakey. Me say, be a kerosene and wait for you, Snakey. Me say, kerosene them shave down the eagle eye smooth. I wait for your arrival. But be careful, Snakey. You never know them kerosene and they might tell us if you come with some, and when you come with some, you might not get to come. Wink, wink. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.